Hey, in this video, hey, Daniel P. Robertson here with danielprobertson.com. Sorry if this video is a bit shaky. I'm doing things a little bit differently here in this video today. I wanted to shoot a quick video to talk about how to make money online as a busy parent. Because, with kids, it's easy to get busy and it's easy to feel like you are distracted and you're too busy and you've got too much going on to build an online business. Wow, this is, let me see if I can hold this a little better. And I wanted to talk about this because it's something that's really important to me because I have 3 kids and a wife at home and I work a day job and I've got other things going on during the week, but still I'm finding time to build my business. I'm finding the time to put in the effort to grow my YouTube channel. I've been publishing a video almost every day now it's been close to 60 days. I've only missed 3 days. I'm on a 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge that I'm doing. And I'm going to keep producing videos to grow my channel, to push people over to my sales funnel, to grow my email list and to get sales. And here's the thing is that I'm busy too. I've got, like I said, a job and kids and other things going on, but I'm finding the time to do it. I'm finding the time to put in the effort, to push myself outside of my comfort zone, to do what's not easy, and to put in the work. So if building an online business is important to you, then you're going to find the time. If building a business is important to you, then even if you're busy or even if you're scared and you're nervous and you don't feel exactly comfortable with, publishing videos on YouTube or writing blog posts or whatever it is, if you're not comfortable, if you don't feel like an expert, if you don't feel like you have enough value to add to the world, if you don't feel like you're ready yet, then that's perfectly normal, but you've got to push through it and you've got to start doing the work. So I know this is a little different and it's kind of shaky here today, but I really wanted to share this thought with you. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.